Huwag kang pupunta sa Danang, Vietnam without visiting the Sun World Bana Hills. Isa to sa mga sikat na tourist attractions in Danang and dito nyo makikita yung Alpine Coaster and Golden Bridge. Nasa mountainside itong Bana Hills and kailangan natin umakyat via cable car for 20 minutes. Una nyong mapupuntahan yung iconic na Golden Bridge na hawak ng malalaking kamay na bato. Then maraming Instagrammable spots sa Flower Garden and you can visit their Buddha statue nearby. For the kids and kids at heart, you can explore the Fantasy Park. Marami silang games and rides and dito nyo masasakyan yung Alpine Coaster. Pwedeng-pwede to kahit takot ka sa roller coaster kasi ikaw yung manually magkocontrol ng speed tsaka brakes. Up to 2 packs per ride ito. If that's not your vibe, you can explore the French Village. Marami silang magagandang architecture dito. By the way, they give out a voucher for 2 free beers pagpasok nyo. Doon nyo siya pwede i-claim sa Beer Factory. If you're a fan of collectibles naman, you can visit their Pop Mart Castle. Super laki nito and kompleto sila sa mga Pop Mart figurines. For lunch, medyo may kamahalan yung pagkain sa taas. I recommend just going to the Four Seasons Buffet kasi sobrang sulit ng food nila doon. Add Bana Hills to your itinerary and make sure to follow my page for more travel tips. Thanks for watching!